highest level of love, spirit. To the highest level good. To the highest level of love. Okay? Harmonize with me, spirit. This is Libra's reading. Okay? Who's here? The energy is very strong. Daddy? Daddy? Oh, the 7 of heart, the 11 of diamond, and the queen of diamond. To the highest level of love, to the highest good. This one, right? Let's see. Libra.
Hunting.
Hunting. Oh, this is the hunter. Let's see. Hunting with Libra. 1, 2, 3. Hunting with Libra. Okay. 7 card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what his energy today. Today is Tuesday. His energy is diamond. It's pointing towards me. His head is the sun and the star. Okay, a diamond indeed. Hotness. Right. First card. Daddy. Daddy is of diamond. Oh my God. You are in Libra. Are you, Daddy? You're not with me? Second card. 9. That's me. My energy. Flower.
Nana.
I'm the diamond of queen. So, our energy is yin-yang. I'm pointed towards the earth. And Libra is pointing to me. We are both hotness. Okay. The spirit is flower. And the heart of queen towards me. That means I love myself. I love myself. I want you to love me. Woohoo! The ace of spade towards me. So, it's not towards Libra, it's towards me. That means I'm sucking the bad energy from Libra. Oh! Perfect! The 9 of diamond. So, wow. The flower and the 9 of diamond is here. And the diamond of ace, that's father. And father, the dark as well. The speed towards me. And the diamond of queen towards Libra, and the diamond and the heart of queen towards me. So I love myself. Okay. Let's see the second page.
Anne.
Anne. How are you, Anne? Oh, look at that. The heart. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 3 card. 1, 2, 3. 9 card. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 card. First card.
Pagan.
Ooh, pagan. First card is the Heart of 6. This is Virgo. And of course is universe. It's I human. It's me. But it's heart. It means balance, love, and justice. Yeah.
Books.
Books. Scroll, yeah. 8 of speed. And the heart of Jack. Jack is me. It's because I am 11. Also, combined with Libra and I, we manifesting the Father. So this is 11. And it's heart pointing the earth. 6 of speed. Oh. Flower of 8. And the Jack of...
Cocaine.
What the fuck? The Jack of speed. Who's having the cocaine, spirit? Are you?
In the name of death.
Death. In the name of death. Okay. This indeed. And the flower of 9. And the ace of speed towards the earth. It means towards Libra. But the 6 of heart is here. And the Jack of diamond. The meaning is triple Jack. The heart of Jack, the speed of Jack, and the diamond of Jack. It means the love is stronger than the death. I'm sorry to hear that, spirit. The love is stronger than the death. That's the truth.
Eleanor.
In triple Jack here, that means triple Jack is 33 degree. Ha ha! It's love. I'm right. Okay. Triple Jack. Let's see the 12. Ooh, the ace of diamond and the king of flower towards me. Indeed, the father is stronger. Of course, he's the father. He's the Saturn, right? Oh, the heart of Saturn is here. The ace of Saturn. All right. 3 cut. The last paste. 12 card. We still Libra's energy to the highest love. The amount of love. Conquer the death. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see. The first card.
Hiding.
He's hiding, is he? No one can hide with Daddy. He's the god of time. He's the god of karma. He's the sower of the seed. And we are the twin flame. No one can hide. We are bound to each other. Okay. Oh ho, Daddy. The 10 of diamond. That means we are the year of 10. And in the numerology, the 0 is the first. So I am the first. The nothingness. Then
Margaret.
Oh, and then the 1 is the Father. The King of Spade towards me. Okay, Libra is towards me. Okay. And the 5 of Diamond. This is the Father. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is the universe itself. Stunning hotness. Oh, how? Libra. Libra is
1840.
yeah. Okay. 9. 1 plus 8 is 9.
He thrives on fear.
1 plus 8 is 9 plus 4 is 13. The fucus. Yeah, indeed. The fucus is here. The king of heart towards the earth. So, loving the earth. Yes. And this is the 2 of diamond. The creator. That's me. And me. The heart of queen. And towards me, I love myself. Because that's what Father said. Love myself. So I love myself. Okay. 5 of speed. And the jug of flower. And towards the earth. Indeed. And the 8 of speed. And the diamond of 8. Indeed, Libra and me is here. Fire. The flower of 2. And the diamond of king. Triple king. Far out. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Triple king. What's in here?
Children are playing.
Yeah, good. That's good. So, Libra. First is Libra towards me, the speed, and the heart, the king of hearts. That's the Lemuria. That's the Zeus. The too much love. Too much love will kill you. Na 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 na. And the diamond towards me. So triple king. So. Oh, really? Okay. It's the Father. Yeah. The Father is the speed towards me. And then Libra towards the earth. And the King of Diamond is Libra.
Ronald.
Oh, too much Libra, hey? Okay. Really, Father? Okay. So the heart of Queen is towards me. And the Jack towards the earth. So, oh, okay. So daddy is the heart. Daddy is the heart towards the earth, and Libra is the diamond towards me, and the queen is towards me, and my energy is towards the earth. So the daddy. Oh, thank you, daddy. Okay, the speed of the 8 and the...
I'm from the 1500s.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, daddy. Yeah, of course. You are the 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. It's what's in here. It's daddy indeed. And the 8 and double 8. This is the diamond and the speed. Of course, Libra and I is the same energy. And the 5 of diamond and the 5 of speed is here. And the 2 of diamond, this is me. Oh, Libra, okay. Okay, Libra. Libra. Okay, because he's Venus, right? So, yeah. 5 plus 2 is 7.
Colin.
And the 10 is the Saturn. Okay, let's see. Let's see my energy towards Libra. To the highest love level. Right. Let's see what's my energy towards Libra.
I'm not playing games.
We are not playing games. This is real. Who's playing games? Okay. Daddy Saturn doesn't play game. Okay? Which one is spirit? My energy is this? Okay. Let's see. I don't play games either, Father. 1, 2, 3. Cut 3. 7 card. Read along with me, Spirit. Harmonize with me. This is my reading. My energy to the highest point of love. Okay. The Creator is reading now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see my energy. Speed. Diamond.
Scott.
We have the same energy with Libra, but mine is pointing to Libra. We are yin-yang. Yin-yang. Our energy is yin-yang. The first card, the heart, pointing to me. Father loving me. Thank you, Father. The speed of 4. Day 4 of diamond. Oh my God! Yoo-hoo! The flower of 2. The 3 of flower. The 10 of flower. Oh my God. Okay. The speed of hang on. The speed of queen pointing towards me. My energy is fiery towards the earth. But in here, Father is loving me. He is the ace of heart. And Libra and I is here. The speed and the diamond. 4 is 8. Okay. The power of love. Okay. The diamond of 8.
Music.
Music. Okay. What music? Lose control. Really? He lost control? 2, 3. Cut 3. Okay, 9 cards. Let's see. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First card of the 9 cards is Diamond of 8. Heart of 8. Oh, what the fuck? The heart of Queen towards the earth, towards Libra, towards the love of my life. Hello, my love. I love you. And the Jack of flower towards
Decay.
Libra. I'm not decay, I'm alive. Spirit to the highest point of love. Okay. The Jack of speed. And it's yin-yang indeed. Okay. The 6 of flower. The 4 of diamond. The 5 of flower. And Libra is here. What the fuck? Okay. Libra is here. pointing towards me. He's my light. He's the spark of my life. Okay. Libra is here. The 5 indeed is him because he is the Venus. So the flower, the paradise. And I am here, the flower of 6. Okay. So the heart and the energy of I am 11, of course. I am the 12, of course. And we are the same. 8 here. The heart of 8 and the diamond of 8. So, the Father and Michael is here. Right. Last 12 cards. Let's see. What a powerful reading. Spirit. Wow. Look at that. The 5 of heart. The power of love. And the 2 of diamond. And the 3 of diamond. Okay.
It's watching you.
Yeah. Thank you. 2, 3. Got 3. 12 card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see the first card of the 12.
Thank you for talking.
Yes. Thank you for harmonizing with me. First card. Oh, the Father. Daddy. 10 of diamond. Again. The first of the numerology in the 10 is the 0. I am the 0 and the Father is my daddy. We are the year 10. I'm mirroring the daddy. Okay. Saturn. Oh, the 8 of heart. Hi, Michael. Thank you.
Video.
Video later on. Okay. The 4 of flower. And the diamond of me. Oh, the diamond towards Libra. I am his spark as well. The queen. Oh my God. The 9 of diamond. It's my energy. This is cardinal. Because the 2 plus 7 is 9. So this is cardinal. The Mars. The helm. Okay, 5 of speed, the 2 of flower, the 5 of flower, the 6 of flower. Wow! And the 10 of flower, Daddy.
Florence.
Oh my God. The 8 of speed and the 2 of heart. Wow! So, Libra and I is here. He is the 8 of speed and I am the heart of 8. And Daddy is here, the diamond of 10. And I am, of course, my energy is the flower. So, the Daddy, manifesting the Daddy. Okay. And Libra is here, the 5 of speed. And I am the 5 of flower and I am the 5 of the 2 of flower and Libra
We
is
settled here.
that. Where is my settlement? My settlement spirit have to release the settlement tonight. A million settlement, okay? Money tonight, a bag of cash. Okay. The 2 of heart is here. The creator is me.
What is in your hand?
And the card. You have to release the money. You know, see this? The diamond of a king and a queen is diamond. And twice is the Father is here. The diamond. That means legacy. The wealth to release. Okay? The Creator is here. And the Four of Flower. And I am the Four of Flower, isn't it? And I am the Six of Flower, isn't it? Because I am Aries. That's my energy. And tonight, oh wow, Seven of Heart and Seven of Flower. Tonight is the night to release the settlement, isn't it? You saying that, isn't it? Spirit? Daddy! Tuesday the day. Oh, heart. Oh, the heart of flower. No, the heart of diamond. Libra is here. The Nine of diamond. The Queen of diamond. The Seven of diamond is here. So, hang on. Seven of diamond, the heart of diamond. This is the spirit. And I am the Queen of diamond. And the King of diamond is reunite. And the Nine of
I like the
diamond.
lights.
You like the lights. We are the lights. Look at that. It's all diamond. This is both Libra and I. The flaming sword of Michael. The sword is flaming. Double edges. Okay? Ha? Settlement to release. Spirit. Oh, the Five of Heart here is the power of love. Isn't it? Alright. Let's do it. Bye-bye. I love you, Spirit.